Hello, everyone. And in today's episode of All About Websites, we're going to talk about themes. What is a theme? How to choose a theme for your business website, and my favorite theme. So let's get started. Okay. A theme is a kind of skin or cover for your website platform, whether it's Squarespace or WordPress or Wix or Weebly. They all have themes or templates that you can use to start building your website. Okay. You remember back in the day when we used to have MP3 players and you could choose a skin or you could choose a cover, or even in Gmail these days, right? You can choose a background for your Gmail. It can be whatever photo, they have those options. You can select a photo, you can select the colors, you can select stuff like that. It's the same thing with WordPress themes. They come with certain pre-built layouts that you can then build your website on. Okay. So yes, once you get WordPress, you could theoretically go with the plain vanilla WordPress, but that makes things look, it looks like websites from, like 20 years ago. So you must use a theme. Now, how do you choose the right theme when there are thousands of themes out there? Okay. There are literally thousands of free WordPress themes out there and just as many paid ones. The problem with each of those themes is that they each have their own idiosyncrasies or weird ways. They each have a certain layouts. Some of them give you flexibility about changing, say, for example, the header image size or a certain image or some fonts. But most of them, especially the free ones, don't give you a lot of flexibility. You have to, if you're going for a free theme, choose one that is that already looks like the kind of website you want to have. Okay, because free themes especially do not have a lot of customization. If they do, it's more often than not clunky and at times doesn't work. Back in 2008 and 10, when the first couple of sites I created were all with free themes. And though the theme would advertise that you can change this, modify that, move things around, when I actually tried to do it, it didn't work. I think since about 2015 or late 2014, sometime around then, I switched to a theme called Divi, which is, while it's a paid theme, in my experience of all the themes that I've tried, and trust me when I say I've tried a few, I've reviewed a few. Back in 2014, I used to do a lot of WordPress website reviews, platform comparisons, and theme comparisons, and all that kind of stuff. If you search for my name, you will find dozens of comparisons and articles up on SitePoint and other web development magazines, online magazines. Right? So I've tried a whole lot of different platforms and themes. And the one that I found easiest to work with, that gives me a whole lot of customization plus being really, really easy to use, is the Divi theme or the Divi builder. I will share the link in the comments once I get off this call, off this Facebook Live. But with most other themes and builders, even paid themes or paid WordPress builders like Thrive or damn, I'm even forgetting the names because I just don't like them. I don't use them enough. Like Thrive or Genesis and Make. While they all are good and you will find articles that claim that they are the best, in my experience, for women in business or for solopreneurs in business who are not web developers, whose purpose is not to understand the ins and out of websites and create multiple websites, who just want to get the job done, who want a good website that helps them sign up clients, Divi is the best way to go because it has the best user interface and therefore the shortest learning curve. And it lets you do what you need to do as a business owner without any extra code, without complicated backend stuff, drag and drop. That's it. It's very, very easy. Okay, so that's why I personally use Divi for all my client websites, as well as in the website bootcamp and the website in a box. I created a website on a box based on Divi where I can just install all of that for you, and you can go in and just edit the pages. It's that simple. Okay, so we talked about what is a theme and why you need it, how to choose the right theme for your business website. Just go with something that is 90% there, that has the right kind of layouts, because changing the layout in themes is really, really difficult unless you go for a website builder like Divi, Thrive, Genesis, and those kind of things. And of the lot of builders, Divi is simply the best because of the user interface and the way it's changing and evolving. I've been watching them for the last 3 years, and I love the features that they keep adding. You, as a business owner, as someone with no tech experience, you can go in and create a really sleek, professional looking website. Okay, and the way it's structured, it lets you create different kinds of layouts and customize just about everything that you could need for a better connection, for a better user experience. Okay, so I will share the link to Divi below, and if you would like to learn more about how to create the right kind of layouts for your website, how to write, honestly, it's a combination. A good website is a combination of the right kind of copy, the right kind of layouts, and the right kind of tech. If you'd like to learn more about that, then come join us for the free 5-day challenge, which I call the website planning party, because hey, it's really not challenging, it's fun. Okay. If you'd like to learn how to write out your copy, create your layouts, and master the tech in just 5 days, come join us for the free website planning party, and here is the link. If you know any other women in business, especially solopreneurs, who would love to get a grip on their website and learn how to write their copy, create their layouts, and master their tech in order to create websites that connect and convert, websites that, well, help you sign up paying clients, then come join us for this free 5-day challenge. Okay, that's all from me for today. I hope this gives you a better idea about themes, and I'd also recommend you go and check out all the other videos in the All About Website series, where I talk about things like copywriting, choosing the right domain, choosing the right hosting, and all of the other stuff you need to know as you create your own website. Thanks for joining me today. You have a good time. Till next time, keep shining. Bye bye.